Some business travellers in Singapore are packing their suitcases for Malaysia again ahead of tomorrow's reopening of the land border. It's been 5 months since the border was shut to curb the spread of COVID-19. Air and land links between the two countries will resume tomorrow under the Reciprocal Green Lane scheme. Now, this is part 3 of our series on Singapore-Malaysia travel links.
Singapore's reciprocal green lane arrangement with Malaysia only permits essential business travel of up to 14 days over land or on direct flights. CEO of Singapore Solar Energy Group, Sunseap, says his itinerary was not easy to schedule at first because of uncertainty over when the travel application would be approved.
My itinerary will involve driving across the border and straight towards the hotel in KL. And then where I would, of course, stay there for a good 24 hours, waiting for the result of my swab test. And then once I get the results, the next day, I will be able to move to my meeting location. After the meeting, I will be driving back to the hotel and stay until my checkout, and I will drive straight back to Singapore. So it's a very restrictive itinerary.
Mr. Puan's travel application, including the itinerary, was approved 2 days after he submitted it, much faster than he expected. Besides a detailed travel plan, Green Lane travellers must also take a COVID-19 swab test within 72 hours before departure. Despite the requirements, Singapore businesses welcome the scheme.
A lot of Singaporean companies are invested in Malaysia, employing hundreds, if not thousands, of Malaysians. We have one particular SME, for example. They have 3,000 employees in Malaysia. And, having such a production presence in Malaysia, you need a management headcount to travel there. And sometimes you need some of the managerial operational headcount from Malaysia to travel to Singapore.
The Green Lane scheme with Malaysia is Singapore's second such agreement after the Singapore-China Fast Lane started in June.
Nothing beats a face-to-face meeting, right? So we have quite a lot of, partners that we want to meet in Malaysia so that we can expand our business in Malaysia.
Businesses would really look forward to more green lanes with more cities and localities that will be opened up, especially economies that have substantial trade flows with us. Countries or cities that have already put in place their good social distancing, health safety measures.
Singapore and Japan have also agreed to resume essential business travel between the two countries, with details expected to be finalized by September.